In the land of Mordor, where the shadows lie. It was here, on the slopes of Mount Doom, that the Dark Lord Sauron was defeated by a last alliance of men and elves. It is here that for 2,500 years the Rangers of Gondor stood watch.
There I am. It's about time we got into it.
Dear Hyle, the mighty chicken killer. Come on. Come on. Show your father what you have, huh?
Nope.
You'll have to hit harder if you want to best your father.
Nuh-uh.
Hard enough?
Nope. That's not even hard. That's not close to being hard. That's not even far, to be honest.
You should not forget
No.
to hit.
Stay alert, dear Hyle. Your enemy will not always be as he appears.
Easy, son. You're not a soldier yet.
That's right. You're nothing but a shitty tutorial.
I'll have your
Damn, you're ugly. Now, I think I want to hold shift and click on this guy. I invented that move without help. I'm a genius at this game.
Orcs are much stronger than any we've ever seen.
They're not orcs, they're orcs. They're far worse. There's too many. Go find your mother. Go find your mother. Keep her safe. I'll be right behind you. Go. Am I dead?
You are banished from death.
You had one job, Dairal. Ooh, I'm good at stealth. I'm good at stealth. Watch this. Ooh, and dead. And dead. And dead. And damn it.
The sword down, Ranger.
He will live.
Damn, he was right. Oh, what's this? A little water slide? Seriously? Uh-oh. The combat is so satisfying in this game. Seriously. Uh-oh.
Throw man's head over Black Gate. Man's body may be not attached.
What are you trying to say? You know what? You know what? Branded, bitch. Your soul belongs to me.
Then why did you come here?
Looking for a slave that fought the Black Hand of Sauron.
There's my new dog. Yep, new dog, confirmed. Why are you guys here, keeping me from seeing my new dog? You know what? You know what? Get out of here. And you? And you? You just die. And yeah, this is what you get. I tried to warn you guys. Hey, get out of here. I tried to warn you guys, and you guys didn't listen. This is what happens when you keep me from seeing my.
A few inches later.
He wants to be our pet. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, no. Puppy. Where are you, puppy? There you are. Hello.
Think you could sneak up on me so easily, eh?
What does he know of it?
Bright Master. Yes, we nurse. Bright Master came to us.
It's not your fault you're bad with animals.
Precious. It showed us. It showed us treasures of the Bright Master. No more riches. Yes, we swears. We swears to serve the Bright Master.
Yay. We did it.